Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to put apps on desktop on Windows 11 or Windows 10 or any other version of Windows computer or PC. So let's see how we can do this thing. Putting your apps on desktop is very easy and simple, and it helps us to access the application directly. That's why many people like me or other people, they always try to put apps on desktop. But most of the people, when they start their computer, they don't know how to do this thing. That's why I created this tutorial. So here you see there is a couple of applications which are linked already. These are the apps. If we double click on top of it, it will be open. Like this is Chrome browser, this is Brave browser. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to choose the application. But where are the applications located on computer, right? So let's see that thing first. At first we need to click this Windows icon of our Windows computer or start menu, whatever you say, and it will bring this type of window. From here you will find all option is there, all button. Just click over there and then it will bring the list of application. So here it is showing all and it is grouped like A, B, C, D in this way. So to put any application on desktop, at first we need to choose the application. Suppose we use like Blender, this application too much. For me, like I do a lot of YouTube video. So Blender, for example, for animation, I need that and I use that too much. So I need to put this application on desktop. So what you need to do? We need to choose this thing. I already chose it. Then what you need to do? You just need to drag and drop it on the desktop, and that's it. Let's see. So I'm going to click here and dragging, and I'm going to drop on the desktop. See, now I'm releasing my mouse and I dropped it, and here the application is there. In this way you can also add any of the application on the desktop. Like let's try another one. Again I'm going to click start menu and then all, which will list all the application. And from here, for example, I use Excel too much, so I'm going to put this app on desktop. So I'm going to select it and dragging, and then I'm dropping on the desktop, and here it go. So the Excel is there. Now if we double click, it will be opened. And that's it guys. In this way we can put apps on desktop or on our Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer or PC, whatever you say. Thank you for watching the video.